Now for the easy part. We're going to transfer the drawing that we did in the last part. I actually tweaked it a little bit in between scenes, but you'll see how this is done. Let's watch the video. So here's the drawing. So what you do is you take your pencil and darken the back. Now a HB pencil works. A 2B pencil is better because it's softer and makes a darker mark. So you blacken the back of the drawing wherever you did any pencil work, wherever the drawing is. So just fill it up and get it nice and dark, and then get your canvas, just like that one, and you put it on top and put it right where it should be. And then you trace. Now I've speeded up the camera for this because it's so boring to watch somebody trace. But here's what we do. We just trace the whole thing and then you retrace it on the actual canvas. So the lines are very faint and they weren't dark enough for the camera. So I just am darkening them again. If you're okay with nice light lines, you could leave it at that. Then just work from that. If you're a beginner, I suggest retracing it and making the changes that you want. Now I've decided to add an extra circle, so I'm doing that now. Also remember that this is not set in stone. You can still change the drawing. All you have to do is kind of just paint over it in the end. Now I'm going to add some details. Freehand. You can draw all these ahead of time if you want and transfer them. That's okay. This is it. That's all you need to do for this step. So do that now, and then we'll see you in the next section. Now here's an example of what the drawing looks like and then what the transfer looks like.